In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Smartsheet into a workspace. This process is straightforward and can truly enhance your efficiency by keeping your projects organized. Let's dive right in. Starting off, open up Smartsheet and take your attention over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the Browse menu, which serves as your gateway to accessing your sheets, reports, dashboards, and of course, your workspaces. You'll see it prominently displayed, ensuring you can navigate easily among your projects. Once you've located the Browse menu, click on it. This will open up your entire list of items so you can see everything you currently have access to, be it sheets, reports, or dashboards. They're all housed here. It's a well-organized list that provides an overview of all your work, giving you a sense of what's at your fingertips. Now, it's time to find the specific item you want to move. Take a moment to navigate through this list. Scroll through and locate the exact sheet, report, or dashboard that you need to reposition. Remember, these are the elements you've been actively working on, so they'll be somewhere familiar within your list. Once you've pinpointed the item you want to move, the next step is simple yet crucial. You'll want to select this item with your cursor. Just give it a click, and you'll notice a highlight indicating that your selection is active. This visual confirmation is helpful, ensuring you've got the right item before proceeding. With your item selected, keep your mouse button pressed and drag it towards the desired workspace. You'll find your workspaces listed within the Browse menu as well. These are essentially organized containers where you can house multiple related sheets and reports. It's worth noting that dragging an item is as easy as it sounds. Just hold your mouse button down, slide over to the workspace, and presto, the Smartsheet platform does the rest. As you hover over the required workspace, Smartsheet will prompt you with cues and previews, making sure you're dropping it exactly where you intend to. Release the mouse button once you're in the right spot. You'll get a satisfying confirmation that your item has been successfully moved, which is a neat way to know that everything's in its rightful place. And there you have it. A well-organized project in the right workspace, ready for you to continue your work without the clutter. Regularly moving items into their respective workspaces can help you manage projects more effectively, so consider doing this routinely for optimal organization. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and happy organizing.